Good job. Okay, Scout. Good morning, day number 4, and this one's going to be the toughest one of the trip. We got over 3.5 kilometers of portaging to do, and we got a little bit of misty rain coming down there. You can see a little bit on the lens, so we got to get up nice and early, start to the day, and tackle our first portage, which I can see just ahead across Mouse Lake. We seem to be getting in a little bit of a camping rhythm now. We're starting to get more comfortable. Yesterday we didn't get out of campsite till 9:15. Today, 8:40, on our way a little bit earlier, which is good because we got such a big day ahead of us. This portage looks like it's going to have a lot of up compared to what I'm seeing in front of me. Usually, a lot of the portages will start like kind of at the valley, but right ahead, it's like almost the highest point of the lake. This one's going to be tough. All right, we made it to Mink Creek. Like I said at the beginning, that was a whole lot of uphill at the start, leveled out at the end for a little bit, and a big drop off at the very end. And that was very exhausting. So now we're at Mink, and now we're at Mink Creek. That's 1750. It's pretty tiring. And now we're gonna carry on. I solo carried, took me about 45 minutes, but it took a lot out of me, that's for sure. I got a group behind me, so I couldn't film too much. Just trying to keep on going. Every corner, just hoping that I could see the side of the water. You smelling something? You picking up the scent of something? Let me know. Stay. Mink Creek is a muddy mess, but you just gotta commit. Just gotta commit. Right, Scout? We can do it, eh? Let's go. Okay. Okay, let's go. Let's take a break. You got any snacks in here? You got any snacks in here for me? Perfect. 2 portages down, 2,000 done, 1.5 kilometers to go. We're getting there. We're getting there. There's a break for you, Scout. Hold it. Hold it. Hold it. Good job. Hold it. One for you, one for me. Oh, hold it. Take it. Go ahead. All right. Just about to head on Big Thunder. And then we got a 1.5 kilometer portage to do. Back to back. Small paddles and then big portage. We can do it. Okay, Scout. Nap time's over. Let's go. 1.5k to Arabla. The French maple. We want the English maple. 1.5k. Let's go. I forgot to mention, last night at the campsite, I saw a seagull circling something in the water. And then a big eagle or something came down and bullied him out of it and swooped up and took whatever he was waiting for. And I paddled out to see if I could see what the bird was. I got some kind of footage. I'll show you now if anything showed up. It's hard to tell. Okay, let's go. Is it over yet? That's what I keep asking myself. Over. Okay. You holding up in there, Scout? I'm dying. Okay, we're ready, Scout. Let's get going. That really tired me out. So now we're on Arablus, and now we just have a paddle across this lake and then a short or small portage, and then we're on to Maple. And we're looking for a campsite. And there's only 7 campsites on Maple. I know there's 5 of those 7 campsites are on an island. So they'll probably be high priority. And we'll go see what we end up with. Alright, we made it to Maple Lake. Time for dinner. I got my potatoes with bacon, onions, and some extra vegetables. And for dessert, I'm having another berry crisps. You hungry, Scout? Get your bowl! Get your bowl! Scout's a hungry pup. Scout's a hungry pup. Good job, Scout. Good job. You hungry, eh? We had a busy day today. A busy day today. Come over here. No, no, no. Oh, you're drooling all over me, Doc. You're drooling all over me. Control that drool. Control that drool. Ah. Drooling all over the place, dog. Ah. All right, take it. Good job, Scout. We took one of the first island campsites as soon as we come in, and it has an amazing view. The weather has completely changed. Sun is out now, considering it was cloudy and light rain for some of the day. Those portages wore me out. That should be the hardest day of the week, so. Good morning, day number 5. We got absolutely excellent conditions out here. It's hard to leave. That campsite was pretty awesome. So we're on our way to North Sylvia. We got a couple portages, a few small lakes to go by, and one 1,400 meter portage, which will probably be tough again, but it won't be as busy as yesterday. very friendly loons. They just popped up. They just popped up. One is down. Two. Coming up to the first portages of the day. 390 meters to Rat Trap. You can already tell it's going to be much easier than yesterday. You can tell from the contour lines. The portage is right in the middle, in the V, so it looks like there's not going to be too many hilly sections. We might be able to solo carry this one. It's only a short one. Hopefully we can knock this one off quick. And we'll be into Rat Trap. Not a very pleasing name, but we'll go check it out. All right, let's go. $3.90 to Rat Trap. We got some fresh legs. Let's see if we can do this. Right, Scout? How are you doing? How are your legs back there, Scout? Legs okay? You can do it, right? Oh, here you come. Yo. Okay. I see the water. We got the lake on the side. We're getting close. We're getting close. We can do it. We can do it. One portage done. 1,400 more meters to go. Okay, 1490. I don't even know what lake it is, but let's try and knock this one off, Scout. We can do it. You're in charge of filming. Okay, let's go. This is going to be a killer uphill. Okay, let's go. It's going to be a killer uphill. Let's go. Drop my hat. Scout. Scout. Get it. Scout. Scout, get it. Get it. Bring it. Bring it. Scout, bring it. Bring it. Get it. Get it. Bring it. Bring it, Scout. Scout, bring it. Good job. That's a good dog, Scout. Thanks for helping out. Okay, let's go. That was awkward, but we made it. Scout, look at me. Scout, look at me. Stay, stay. Not the easiest put down, but the life jacket is caught on the Scotty mount. But we're here, and this is quite comfortable right now. I don't feel like moving. That was exhausting. Good job, Scout. Thanks for filming. Thanks for filming. Good job. Over here. You got any snacks in that backpack? You got any snacks in there? You got any snacks in here? Rice Krispie for me. Alright, Scout, this one for you. Rice Krispie for me. Whoa! Hold it. Hold it. Alright. Good job. Good job. Take it. It's yours. All right, complete. That portage is done. That was a killer. But to add insult to injury, the next portage we can see right over there. Quite a busy day today. We got to our campsite around 3 o'clock. We set up camp on the north side of North Sylvia and we are ready to feast. Get your bowl, Scout. Get your bowl. Good job, Scout. Good job. You hungry? It was a long day, eh? Long day. Lots of portages, eh, Scout? You can handle it, right? Hold on, hold on. And take it. Good job today, Scout. Good job today. That's gonna do it for day 5. Let's roll into the next one. Thanks for watching. The channel's Jay's Way. Part 3 is coming soon.